Exercise 8.3, the fifth sum. It is given that the principal amount is rupees 60,000 and rate of interest is 12%. Now there are two subdivisions. So one is n is equal to 6 months. The other one is n is equal to 1 year. So we have to find the amount compounded half yearly. So for both the subdivisions we have to find the amount using half yearly formula. So the first subdivision, when n is equal to 6 months, when it is given as 6 months, that is understood as 1 half year. Therefore n is equal to 1. So rate of interest, since it is 12%, means we have to split into half, that is 12 divided by 2, that becomes 6%. So we can cancel this as 1 time and 6 times. Okay, so amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is P into 1 plus rate of interest is 6 by 100 whole power 1. So this is the second table on the 3 2s are 6 and this is 50 times. So principal amount is 60,000. So 60,000 into this is 50 into 1, that is 50. 50 plus 3 is 53. So 53 by 50. So 60,000 into 53 by 50. So 1010 can be cancelled and fifth table 1 5s are 5 and this is 12 times 60. So remaining 2 zeros we can make it. So amount is equal to 1200 into 53, that is 63,600 is the amount for n is equal to 6 months. Okay. Suppose if we want to find the compound interest, amount minus principal. So amount is 63,600 minus 60,000, that is compound interest is equal to 3,600. But here it is asked to find only the amount for 6 months. So amount is equal to 63,600. Now for second subdivision, when n is equal to 1 year, 1 year means it is understood as n is equal to 2 half years because 2 6 months varum. Appo n is equal to 2. Adhe mari rate of interest half divide pannanaka, that is 6%. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is 60,000 into 1 plus 6 by 100 whole power 2. So by cancellation we will be getting 53 by 50 whole square. So 60,000 into 53 by 50 into 53 by 50 because whole square nu kuduthirukadanaal. Appo 2 zeros can be cancelled. 1 5s are 5 and this is 120 times. Again 1 5s are 5, that is 120 can be cancelled with 24 times. Okay. Therefore amount is equal to 24 into 53 into 53, that is 67,416 rupees. So this is meant for when n is equal to 1 year. Therefore Vasudevan would get the amount after 6 months is rupees 63,600. Okay, this is the one. And Vasudevan would get the amount after 1 year is 67,416. Question number 6. It is given that the principal amount is 80,000. Rate of interest is 10%. n is equal to 1.5 years. Now there are two subdivisions. The first one is we have to find the amount which is compounded annually. Okay. And the second subdivision is we have to find the amount compounded half yearly. So both the cases we have to find out. Now let us come to the first subdivision. Amount to be found compounded annually. So amount for, since it is n is equal to 1.5 years, so annually means, so 1 year first thaniya kandupidikanum, adukaprom half year we have to proceed. Appo first let us find out the amount for 1 year. So formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So principal amount is 80,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 10 divided by 100 whole power 1. Now 1 year ku first vandu calculate pandrom. Appo 1010 can be cancelled. This is 1 by 10 nu varum. Appo 1 into 10 will be 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10 whole power 1. So a 0 can be cancelled. So 8,000 into 11, that becomes 88,000 is the amount for 1 year. Now we have to find the interest for half year. So half year interest formula is PNR by 100. So principal amount is 88,000 into N is equal to 1 into 10 divided by, this is meant for half year. அப்போ இங்கே வந்து 1/2 into 100. So N is equal to 1/2 we have to consider in a half year. So by cancellation 1010, the other 0 can be cancelled. 1 2s are 2 and this is 4,400 times. Therefore interest for half year is 4,400. Therefore the total amount for 1.5 years அப்படினாக்க 88,000 plus 4,400, that is 92,400. Okay. Now let us move on to amount for compounded half yearly. Since it is 1.5 years அப்படினாக்க, that is converted as 3 half years. ஏன்னா 1.5 வருஷத்துக்கு வந்து 3 6 months வரும். Okay. அப்போ rate of interest வந்து பாதியா குறைக்கணும். அப்போ 10/2, that is 5%. அப்போ amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is 80,000 into 1 plus 5/100 whole power 3. N is equal to 3 and 3 half years. By cancellation we can say 1 5s are 5 and this is 20 times. 1 into 20 will be 20 plus 1 21. 21/20 whole power 3. This is 80,000 into 21/20 into 21/20 into 21/20. So there are 3 zeros can be cancelled and 1 2s are 2 and this is 40 times again second table, 20 times again second table, 10 times. 10 into 21 into 21 into 21, that is 92,610. Okay. So what is the difference between these two amounts? Difference naka equation 3 minus equation 4. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு வந்து difference எவ்வளோன்னு பார்க்கணும். highest amount வந்து 92,610 minus 92,400. So by subtraction we will be getting rupees 210 is the difference amount between these two. Question number 7. It is given that the principal amount is rupees 8,000. Rate of interest is 5%. Now, for the first subdivision, we have to find out the amount after 2 years, which is compounded annually in Ketchkan. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is 8,000 into 1 plus rate of interest on the 5/100 whole power 2. And n is equal to 2 years. By cancellation, we will be getting 8,000 into 21/20 whole square, that is 8,000 into 21/20 into 21/20. So 1 0, 2 zeros cancel item. 1 2s are 2 and this is 40 times, and again 1 2s are 2 and this is 20 times. 20 into 21 into 21, that becomes 8,820 is the amount compounded, that is for annually after 2 years from the 8,820. Now the second subdivision is we have to find the compound interest after 3 years, which is compounded annually in Kutrikam. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. 8,000 into 1 plus 5/100 whole power 3 n, 3 years n one. By cancellation 1/20 no. This is 21/20 whole power 3. 8,000 into 21/20 into 21/20 into 21/20. So 3 zeros can be cancelled. 1 2s are 2 and this is 4 times. Again 1 2s are 2 and this is 2 times, and 1 2s are 2 and this is 1 time. Therefore it is 21 into 21 into 21. Amount after 3 years on the 9,261 rupees. But we need to find the compound interest. Compound interest means amount minus principal. So amount is 9,261 minus the principal amount is 8,820. ஏன்னா இந்த கண்டுபிடிச்ச அமௌண்ட்டுக்கும் அதாவது 2 years அமௌண்ட்டுக்கும் அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க இந்த 3 years அமௌண்ட்டுக்கும் we have to find the difference. this is 9,261 minus 8,820. That becomes 441 is the interest after 3 years. Question number 8. The principal amount is rupees 10,000 and n is equal to 1.5 years and rate of interest is 10%. Now there are two subdivisions. The first one is compound interest half yearly we have to find out. Okay. Now the second subdivision is half compound interest for yearly we have to calculate annually. So the first subdivision is let us find out the half yearly compound interest. Principal amount is 10,000. N is equal to, since it is 1.5 years, 3 6 months. 3 half years. N is equal to 3 in solli edukkum. Rate of interest we have to divide by 2, that is 5%. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, that is 10,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole power 3. 1 5s are 5 and this is 20 times. 1 into 20 will be 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 20 whole cube. 10,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. So 3 zeros 3 zeros cancel item. Add to 1 2s are 2 and this is 5 2s are 10. And again 1 2s are 2 and this is 21 can be cancelled with 10.5. 1 2s are 2 and 21 can be cancelled with 10.5. 5 into 21 into 10.5 into 10.5, that is 11,576.25 paise. Okay. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. By subtraction we will be getting compound interest 1,576.25 paise. Okay. Make it as equation number 1. This is the first subdivision half yearly we found. Now let us move on to the second subdivision, compound interest for yearly. Yearly amount is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 10. 10 by 100 whole power 1. First 1 year கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கு அடுத்து half year. Okay. First 1 year கண்டுபிடிக்கிறப்ப so by cancellation 10 10 போயிடும். 10 into 1 will be 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 10 whole power 1. 1 0 1 0 போயிடும். This is 1000 into 11 is 11,000 is the amount for 1 year. அடுத்து we have to find the interest for half year. Half year formula PNR by 100. Principal amount is 11,000. Rate of interest 1 by 2. அடுத்து this is n is equal to 1 by 2. Rate of interest 10 by 100. Okay. So by cancellation you will be getting 550 rupees. Total amount for 1.5 years 11,000 plus in the 550 add panna, that is 11,550. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 11,550 minus 10,000. So compound interest is 1,550. Make it as equation number 2. Now comparing these two, so this is for half year. This is for half year compound interest and this is for yearly compound interest. By comparison, which is greater? This half year compound interest is greater than the yearly compound interest. So we can conclude that compound interest for half year is greater than the yearly compound interest.